Thank you guys for clicking on this video. So last time we went for our anomaly scan and we found out that in other countries people are able to find out the gender of the baby, but in India it's illegal. So,
India is a country of myths. Every other person tell us some myths about whether it's a girl or a boy.
yeah. So today we are going to address all the other myths, everything which we find out on the internet or the peoples or our friends. We'll find out everything and we'll address them all and see what's the gender of a baby. First myth is, are you getting high or are you getting low? So one of our friends is also telling that that's the point, and by this
Yes.
you will be able to guess the gender of the baby.
I think it's slow.
So 1 point for a boy. So the second myth is, are you having acne or your skin is glowing or your skin is getting flawless? So if you're having acne and your skin is getting dull, that's a girl, because girls steal your beauty.
Yes.
And if it is flawless, then it's a boy. I think you had a lot of pimples within pregnancy, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so 1 point for a girl.
Third myth. If your face become rounder and rosy cheeks, then it's a girl, else boy.
You
Round, I think, yes.
yes, because she's getting double chins on a double chin. So I think it's becoming more round. So 1 point for a girl.
Fourth myth. Is there any change in body temperature? If it is hot and sweaty, then girl. If I am feeling cold and icy, then it's a boy. Of course, hot.
So 1 point for a girl.
Another myth is, if your hair and nails are getting better than before, then it's a boy, otherwise it's a girl. I think my hairs are getting longer and nails are getting stronger. It's a boy.
It might be because of the medication you are taking,
I don't
but
know.
yeah, I think 1 point for a boy. So another myth is, if your baby's heartbeat is lower than 140, then it's a boy, otherwise it's a girl. In the file it was mentioned it was more than 170, so I think it's a girl. 1 point for a girl.
Another myth is, if you're craving for sweet, then it's a girl, otherwise boy. I think sweet. I crave for sweet
Yeah,
than before, no doubt.
yeah, sure. So in the late night also she just like, I want to eat this sweet, that sweet. But it's not like a crazy cravings. So 1 point for a boy. So according to Chinese and Mayan civilization, culture. So according to Chinese and Mayan cultures, so if both of your ears and conceive ear, both of your birth year and conceive year are even, then or odd, then it's a girl.
Yes.
Else, it's a boy. So
In our case, it's even.
both are even, yeah. So it's for mother or for a father? Which one?
For mother,
Okay, for mother that's it's even. So then that means the girl.
Yes.
1 point for the girl.
another myth is, if you are having morning sickness, then it's a girl, otherwise boy. I think in my case, it's a girl. No morning sickness.
Yeah. So you didn't had that much of morning sickness. So I think that would 1 point for a girl.
Another myth is, if your husband gains weight, then it's a girl, otherwise boy.
I didn't gain the weight, right?
Of course, you have gained weight. 1 point a girl.
I think that point goes to Corona, not the girl.
1 point for a girl.
Okay. So another myth is, have you experienced a swollen leg or ankle? So till now, touch wood, not.
No,
So
it's a girl.
it's a girl. 1 point for a girl.
Another myth is, if hair on your legs is growing normally, then it's a girl, otherwise boy. I think
can't
it's normal growth, so 1 point for a girl.
I have to trust you on that. I don't know that part. So another myth is, if mother is experiencing a lot of clumsiness, then it's a boy.
If gracefulness, then
Grace-
it's a girl.
So I would say like she didn't become more clumsy. So 1 point for a girl.
Yeah.
So another myth is, if mother is having dreams and in the dreams if it's a boy, then you are having a girl. And if in the dreams it's a girl, then you're having a boy. You're having a lot of dreams about boys. So 1 point for a girl.
Another myth is, if you are facing frequent headache, then it's a boy, otherwise girl. No headache, I think, so it's a girl.
It's a girl. 1 point for a girl. So another myth is, if you are not sleeping properly, then it's a boy, and if you are sleeping like a baby, then it's a girl.
And sleeping like anything.
Yeah, she's sleeping like a log. Literally. So 1 point for a girl. So another myth is, what is the color of your pee? So if your pee color is bright yellow, then it's a boy, and if it is dull in color, then it's a girl. I think you have to answer that. I don't see you pee.
I think it's dull.
It's a dull. So 1 point for a girl.
Another myth is, if you're happy, then it's a boy, and if you're moody, then it's a girl. I think I'm happy all the time.
You're moody like anything. You're moody. You had like a lot of loss that your mood swings and your moodiness. Literally, you are moody.
You know better.
Yeah.
1 point for a girl. Another myth is, if you're liking a lot of orange juice, then it's a girl, otherwise boy.
Yeah.
Not orange juice, but I'm eating orange like anything nowadays.
Yeah, so I
Yes.
think this is a point for a girl.
Point for a girl.
So guys, we have some more myths, and for that we have to do some tests. So we have to go inside and let's do the testing. Let's go. So guys, we are going to do some tests now.
I don't know why we are doing this. Girl is winning sure shot.
Yeah, but some of our viewers might be having a tie, so these tests might be a tiebreaker for them. So this is not for us, this is for you guys as well. So you guys can recommend some people. So guys, the first test is Chinese gender predictor, and I'll put the link in the description of the calendar itself. So what you have to do, you have to see your age and the month you have conceived, and you will know whether you're gonna have a girl or a boy. It's as simple as that. So for us, it was coming as a girl. Yeah. It's
I
good.
told you, no need to test further.
Actually.
Next test is thread and needle test.
Yeah.
There you have to put thread above your head with needle, and if it goes round, then it's a boy, otherwise a girl.
It's good.
Tell me something.
Good. So the last one is the ring test. So that is just the opposite of the needle test, but that's on the baby itself directly. So if the ring goes round and round, that's a boy, and if it goes sideways, that's a girl. I don't know whether it's going circle. It's going sideways. Let's give it to a boy. So thank you guys for watching, and it's a landslide for a girl. So
Yeah.
girl is definitely winning. But whether these myths are true or wrong, so subscribe us and we'll let you know what happens. Do share this with your pregnant friends and pregnant family members or anyone who is there, so they will have fun for our
Yeah.
weekend. So something like that. Bye bye.